What's up everyone? In this video, I'll show you how to access your Spotify listening history. So to do so, you open Spotify app. There are actually two ways to view your history, your song's history on Spotify. First, from the home screen, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see here the tab that says recently played. It'll show you your recently played singles like artists, albums, and all of that. If you click on an artist, you'll see the songs made by this artist. The other way is to go to the top of the home screen. On the top right corner here, you'll see a clock icon here next to the settings. If you tap on it, it'll give you all your recent history, all your played songs by date, and you can choose anyone to listen to. Also, on the side of each song, there are three dots. If you tap on them, you get many options like sharing the songs, adding to a playlist, and so on.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.